In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your address on Amazon, whether you're using a desktop or the Amazon app. This can be handy if you've moved recently or need to update your delivery preferences for any reason. We'll first walk through how to make these changes using a desktop browser, then we'll switch over to how it's done in the mobile app. Let's dive right in. Starting with the desktop or web browser, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your Amazon account. As you enter your credentials, ensure you're using your primary account, the one you typically use for orders and purchases. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the home page. Now, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see the option for Account and Lists. Hover over this with your mouse cursor to reveal a drop-down menu, which offers various links related to your account settings. From this menu, click on Your Account. This will take you to a new page filled with icons and links related to managing your account settings. Find the section labeled Ordering and Shopping Preferences. Here, you'll see an option called Your Addresses, often referred to as the address book. Go ahead and click on that. This page displays a list of all the addresses currently associated with your account, including shipping and billing addresses. Now, skim through the list and locate the address you want to change. It might be an old home address, or perhaps a dormitory address that you no longer use. Once you've found the right address, look for the Edit option, typically located next to the address details. Click on Edit, and you'll be directed to a page where you can update the details of your address. This is where you can make the necessary changes. You can edit the street address, city, state or region, and the postal code. Ensure all fields are filled out correctly to avoid any delivery mishaps in future orders. Once you're satisfied with the updates, click Update Address at the bottom of the page. If you want this new address to be your default for future orders, you can set it as such too. There should be an option or a checkbox on the same page that allows you to set this updated address as your default. Doing this ensures that whenever you make a purchase, Amazon will automatically use this address unless you specify otherwise during checkout. If you're looking to change your digital purchase address specifically for items like Kindle ebooks, make sure to navigate separately to the Digital Purchases section where similar options will be available for updates. So that's it for the desktop version. Next, we'll turn to how this process works on the Amazon app, ensuring you have the flexibility to update your address wherever you might be. Stay tuned for detailed instructions on using your mobile device for these updates.